Modern day living and busy seem to go hand in hand. Each day filled with the hustle and the bustle of life and work and all these demands and roles and responsibilities. But the good thing is that we have a parasympathetic nervous system that's built inside of us to help us restore a sense of inner balance, even when the outer world is busy, is hustle and bustle like. And we can actually stimulate the primary nerve of this system, which that nerve is called the vagus nerve. We can stimulate it through stimulation, through vibration. And we do not need any special technology, product, or anything like that in order to do it. We can simply create our own vibration, our own internal vibration through humming. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But humming has been shown to help reduce anxiety, manage stress, lower blood pressure, even help lower heart rate, and help to release these feel good endorphins inside of us, like oxytocin, from something as simple as humming, because of this internal vibration that it gives our system and the nerves that can stimulate. So we can actually practice that right now by simply relaxing the jaw, allowing the shoulders to loosen a little bit, letting your teeth be open a tad, not too much, not too little, just someplace in the middle that feels good for now. And then inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, make a vibration sound, a humming sound like We don't want to rush it. Allow the hum to be prolonged, to be extended, not so that you run out of breath, not so much so that you're feeling like you have to catch your breath, but to allow it to extend so that you feel the release. Let's try again. In through the nose, out through the mouth, and this time try humming with your mouth open like this. What I have found for myself personally is that closing my eyes helps enhance this experience. You'll need to trial and error to see if having your eyes open or having your eyes closed is more or less helpful for you in any given moment. You can also try with moving your mouth while humming to get a different experience while still facilitating this vibration like this. Whatever kind of humming you choose, it's okay. You can find a variety of different ways to hum. Just taking these few seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, to intentionally notice what's happening with your body, loosening your jaw, your shoulders, and focusing on that hum and see how that feels.